Hello everyone, last week I made a video on how to build your very own acoustic panels, and in that video you would have seen that it's very simple, and also it's not that different than the professional acoustic panels, and it's also at a fraction of the price of these panels. So make sure to go watch that video. Now in this video I'll show you how to hang these panels so they actually stay on the wall, and a method that doesn't damage the wall, because these panels are made of wood, they're quite heavy, and it's not like you can just put a couple of command strips and stick it on the wall and expect it to actually stay. If it does stick, it's not going to stick for a very long time. So most of the time you have to drill holes in the wall like this panel. Now, as I said, if you live in an apartment or you just don't want to drill holes in the wall, then another option is the product that I'll be demonstrating in this video that works to hang these panels, and that is also at a fraction of the price as a lot of different competitors that would just have little pieces that stays on the wall and they just don't work, especially for heavier acoustic panels. Because if you're just hanging acoustic foam like these, then you might be able to get away with something a little less robust. However, they do have a product that works perfectly for acoustic foam that is a little bit cheaper than the product that we'll use for the acoustic panel that is a lot stronger than this one. Now this is from our channel sponsor called Canopus, and they have, usually what people use is a double-sided Velcro. And double-sided Velcro can work good in some cases, but they usually don't work very well for something this heavy. And also, what's important is the adhesive strength behind these types of strips. Because as you see, we have to apply it on the material of the acoustic panels. Now, simple method, if it doesn't stick very well on the type of material that you're using, because there are different types of material, like my homemade acoustic panel is a little bit more plush, so it might just not stick to that as well as these ones. However, if you are building your own, you can leave sections where it's wood. So if the wood is exposed, you can just stick it on there and it will stick for a very long time. However, if it doesn't stick, then you can just apply it with a staple gun and you should be good to go. Now what this tape is an interlocking tape, something very similar to Velcro. Now what we'll do is we will tape one section on the wall and then one section on the back of the acoustic panel and then hang it. And you'll be able to see how easy it is. Now one roll is $15, between $10 and $20, depending on the length that you want to buy. I'll have links in the description below of all the different products for the different types of things that you are going to hang, because if you are going to hang just acoustic foam panels, then using a less heavy duty tape where you get a lot more for the same price as a more heavy duty tape is the way to go. But we'll use the heavy duty tape to hang these heavier acoustic panels. All right, so all you'll need is a pair of scissors and maybe a crayon to mark where the acoustic panel is going to be on your wall. Now you can just use an eraser to erase it again so it doesn't show, but in my case, I already have lines on the wall indicating where the corners are. So I'll cut a piece about 8 inches, should be enough. And then you just cut another piece the exact same length so you don't waste any of this tape. And you proceed to place one of the strip on the acoustic panel. Now it's always good to give it a little bit of pressure so the glue goes right into the material. All right, so the strip is about 1 inch from the top corner, straight line down, and you apply it on the wall. And you just repeat for the other side. It's that easy. I can pull it down and it's actually not moving whatsoever. So this is a perfect way to hang your acoustic panels on your wall without actually damaging the wall and having to drill holes, because you think that Velcro or strips like in this video would actually hold acoustic panels. But As I said, if you can buy something that can not only hold on to something that's heavy, but also have adhesive behind it that can hold on when it's attached to material such as this, then that's what you should use. And thanks again, Canopus, for sponsoring this video. Feel free to take a look at many of our other YouTube videos and also some of our articles on our website, soundproofguide.com. Don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed this video.